Welcome to Home Cooking is for the Birds. Let's just jump right into this. We're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And as always, make sure you shake that apple cider vinegar really well before using. Now let's add 1/4 cup of prepared mustard, 1 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Now let's give this a mix. Turn your stovetop eye or your burner on to low. Once you start to see this boiling, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use olive oil. You could even use canola oil. We're going to give this another stir. You will not leave this. The only thing we're doing is heating this up. This process probably takes about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see it start to boil. Once it starts boiling, go ahead and cut that stovetop eye or that burner off. And here is my secret ingredient to this Memphis style barbecue sauce. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of sriracha chili sauce. This just gives this Memphis style barbecue sauce a little kick, and it is so delicious. You can serve this on the side of your pulled pork or pulled chicken, or you can just mix it right in with your pulled pork or pulled chicken. I made this pulled pork for my husband, and he thoroughly enjoyed this. I hope you guys do too, and y'all be good.